How to search for a specific seller on eBay. On the eBay homepage, click on the advanced link here next to the search button, and you are now on the advanced search page. So over on the left hand side, we want to find items by seller, so click on seller, and you will be moved down the page here to the seller section. So you want to click the checkbox here, only show items from, and then you want to leave it on include, and then type in the name of the seller that you're looking for. So I'm going to type in the name of the seller. And once you've typed in the name of the seller that you're looking for, simply click on search. So these are the search results, and all of the search results here are from that one specific seller, Rosewell Inc. And you can see over here eBay is showing you that all of the products are coming specifically from Rosewell Inc. And let's just click into this item here. Yep, and as you can see, Rosewell Inc. So that's how you search for a specific seller on eBay. Thanks for watching, see you next time.